Hi, my name is Saria Azzouz and I am the managing partner at Salco Woods. We are a UAE-based company. We manufacture melamine MDF, HPL Compact, and Formica. Honestly, after the pandemic, we are very excited to be back. We were always participating at the Wood Show. It's great to see that the Wood Show is back. It is one of the most important exhibitions for us as a manufacturing company, and especially us being in the UAE. We love that the Wood Show is here and that we can represent the UAE in the Wood Show. The objectives mainly is to reach as many GCC countries as we can. We already produce in KSA and we produce in Dubai in the UAE. So our aim is to be able to reach, we already ship and export to Oman, Bahrain, Qatar, Kuwait. Of course, we want to expand as much as we can and to make Salco Woods one of a famous company in the GCC, shipping to most of the GCC and hopefully later on Europe and the other countries. Definitely Egypt is one of the main rising countries right now when it comes to wood and the wood industry. It is one of the largest countries in Africa, when it comes to Arab African countries. We are also located in Egypt, so we do have our products available in Egypt. And it's definitely, we do want to have our mark there. It's booming, it's growing, so why not? Hopefully we will be able to also be in Egypt Wood Show. Thank you.